Hello friends, this question also asks most of the time the interview reverse number, reverse string. Okay, so we'll run it and we'll debug and we'll show you how it is working. So I have put the debugger here and we'll execute and we'll see. So here num, I have taken the num means number. This number I have taken. Okay, I want to go to reverse the number and we'll see. So here number, what is the number is 234. So 234, what is that? Greater than 0. It should be greater than 0. If it is not 0, then it will got fail. So it is written true. Now it's come to the next statement and it will go to the num. What is doing num divided by 10, what will reply? 4. How it is 4? So once will you can check, divide the number that 234 and you will get it the remainder as a 4. Okay, so 4 and 4 that is assigned into the digit. Okay, and next is come to the reverse. And what happened is checking the reverse. I taken the add ev rev means reverse is 0, so that's why I put in the 0 multiplied by 10. 0 multiplied by 10, what is 0 only. Okay, and next is the digit. What is the digit have? We have the item that we just now we have calculated here, so it is 4. So it come here 0 plus 4. Okay, it is 4. Now come the next step and divide the number by 10 and that will be written 23. Again 23 will come here and check the number is greater than 0, that is 23. Okay, now again 23, remainder will be 3 and the reverse will multiplied by 10 and they will add the 3, so it is the 43. Now again it will divide and will get the 2, so 2 is greater than 0. Okay, true, and here also get 2 and that 243 into 10 430, and in that 430 we add the 2, so it is the number divided by 10 and it will return 0. Now 0 0 false, so it will return the reverse. So what is the reverse? 432. Okay, 432. So this is the answer. Okay, now you can change the number and we can run for the 4 digit. Okay, then I will show one another thing the interviewer those are asking. So here, okay, I have running, so we'll see what is printing for another number. Same process, it will happen again and again and it will print the result. So if you don't want to confuse, so we need to see the again and again video and we'll get it confirmed how it is happening. So now you can see that I think now you will get some idea how it is happening and why it is printing the reverse number and how it is printing. Okay, so okay, no, wait, so 647649. Okay, it is okay. So I was saying that now the interviewers will ask, so this is the number and what is the length of this, means what is the length of this. So here is 4, length is 4, so we need to print the 4. How we'll do it? Can you make it and program and comment? If you have time, and if you want to really learn, can you tell me the program for the length? Don't use the len function here to calculate. Num is equal to len of that function. Don't use some exactly. You need to wrote a logic like that and we'll try to get. Okay, len will come, no problem. Otherwise we'll put the counter. You put the counter and tell me the what is the. So now the days they are asking the this type of questions. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.